Start. In each of these cases, challenge is to the bail granted to the respondent by the Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench, full stop. Since all these appeals have a common matrix, they are taken up together, full stop, on the basis of allegations that the respondents were guilty of having committed cheating, preparing forged and false documents for the purpose of cheating, using the said documents as genuine, abatement of crime, committing criminal breach of trust by forming criminal conspiracy, full stop. In furtherance of their common intention, law was set into motion, full stop. They were convicted by the trial court and have preferred appeals before the High Court and had prayed for grant of bail by suspension of sentence in terms of section 389 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, full stop. The High Court primarily granted bail to each of the respondents on the ground that bail was granted during trial and the liberty was not misused, full stop. Further ground indicated was that there was likelihood of delay in disposal of the appeals, full stop. In the case of respondent, it was stated that the evidence appeared to be scanty against him, full stop. Questioning correctness of the order passed in each case, learned counsel for the state submitted that there was large scale of manipulation of records resulting in manipulation of results of the candidates and each of the respondents had a definite role to play, full stop. Apart from the cases where they have been convicted, large number of connected cases are also pending, full stop. In the case of respondent Madhukar, 2 cases under the Prevention of Corruption Act, 1988 were pending, full stop. In one case, the said accused had offered bribe to the investigating officer and was caught red-handed, full stop. It was submitted that considering the gravity of the offence, the sentences were directed to run consecutively in terms of section 31 (1) of the code, full stop. It has stated that the High Court was misled in the case of respondent Janki, who made a false statement before the High Court that he had deposited fine amount, while in fact he had not done so, as would be apparent from the second order, full stop. It was essentially submitted that without indicating any plausible reason contemplated under section 389 of the code, the bail has been granted, full stop. The seriousness of the allegations for which the accused respondents have been already convicted, has been completely lost sight of, full stop. Learned counsel for the respondents, on the other hand, submitted that the parameters for grant of bail and cancellation of bail are different, full stop. It was submitted that some of them are very elderly persons and have retired from services, full stop. It is not a case where any irrelevant factor has been taken into consideration, full stop. It is pointed out on behalf of respondent Madhukar that the said accused is stated to have centers round 2 chits, which were exhibited, full stop. They did not in any way establish the involvement of the accused in the alleged crime, full stop. That is why in his case the High Court observed that the evidence is scanty, full stop, over.